Welcome to Shorewalkers. This is a tutorial on using our dedicated Great Saunter map on your phone. To find the map, open your web browser. This map works best with Safari for iPhone and Chrome for Android. First, type map.shorewalkers.org into the URL bar. You should see a pop-up asking to share your location. Click Allow while using the app. Next, a second pop-up should ask for your location. Click Allow again. You should now see a map of the Great Saunter route and your location, indicated by a blue dot. Some users have reported not seeing the blue dot location indicator. If that's the case, this section will help you by enabling your location settings. This process will differ based on whether you have an iPhone or Android, and we'll walk through both. On iPhone, navigate to your Settings app. Open the app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Click Location Services and toggle Location Services to On. Next, scroll down, find and click your preferred web browser. Once open, ensure while using the app is enabled. On Android, navigate to your Settings app. Open the app and scroll down to click on Location. Ensure Use Location is enabled and click on App Location Permissions. Find your preferred web browser and click Only while using the app. If you go back to your map by opening your web browser, you should now see the blue dot, which moves as you walk along the route. You'll want to come back to this map throughout your walk. You can do this by bookmarking the map URL in your web browser. Or type map into the URL and the link should appear as an autocomplete. Or you can also leave the app open on your phone. If you are concerned about battery usage, the map doesn't consume much power because it is web-based and not an app. In any case, it's a good idea to bring a portable charger. We hope this helps, and if you have any questions, email us at support@shorewalkers.org.